There are hundreds of smartphones on the market right now, but only a handful are genuinely worth your money. Today we cut through the marketing hype and rank the 5 best smartphones of 2026, judged on camera, performance, battery life, and real-world value. Whether you are Team Apple, Team Samsung, or something else entirely, this list might surprise you. At number 5 is the Google Pixel 10 Pro, released in October 2025. Google's flagship is not the raw power leader on this list, but it is arguably the most intelligent. Powered by Google's custom Tensor G5 chip, the Pixel 10 Pro is built from the ground up for artificial intelligence, from its real-time call translation to its next-generation magic eraser and photo unblur features. Its 50-megapixel camera system consistently ranks among the very best for natural, true-to-life photography, especially in challenging light. If you want the purest Android experience with the most capable AI assistant on any phone, the Pixel 10 Pro is the one to beat. Number 4 is the OnePlus 14, and this one is the endurance story of 2026. Packing Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chip alongside a massive 400 mAh battery, the largest in any mainstream flagship, the OnePlus 14 simply outlasts everything else on this list. It charges from 0 to full in just over 30 minutes using its 100-watt Super VOOC charger, which means battery anxiety is effectively a thing of the past. At $949, it undercuts the Samsung and Apple flagships by hundreds while delivering comparable raw performance. For anyone who values endurance above all else, nothing comes close. At number 3, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is the most feature-packed Android smartphone money can buy. Released in January 2026, its 200-megapixel main camera is the highest resolution sensor on any mainstream flagship, and the built-in S Pen stylus remains unique at this price point. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chip makes it one of the fastest phones ever tested, and Samsung's Galaxy AI suite has matured into one of the most genuinely useful AI toolkits on any device. The main drawback is the price. Starting at $1,399, it is one of the most expensive smartphones in the world. But if you want absolutely everything in one device, there is nothing quite like it. The runner-up is Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max, released in September 2025. Apple's A19 Pro chip delivers the highest single-core CPU performance of any smartphone processor in existence. Nothing else is even close. The redesigned titanium frame is thinner and lighter than its predecessor while housing a larger battery, and the 48-megapixel camera system with upgraded telephoto optics produces stunning results in every condition. Apple Intelligence has expanded significantly, with more on-device AI features running entirely locally without sending data to a server. If you are in the Apple ecosystem, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the most refined, most capable iPhone ever made. And our number 1 pick for 2026 is the Samsung Galaxy S26 Edge. At just 5.5 millimeters thick, it is the thinnest flagship smartphone ever manufactured, thinner than a stack of 4 credit cards, while still housing the same Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chip and 200-megapixel camera as the Ultra. Released in January 2026, Samsung achieved this through a new titanium alloy frame and a custom ultra-thin battery geometry that required entirely new manufacturing techniques. It is the phone that proves you do not have to choose between power and elegance. In a market full of incremental updates, the Galaxy S26 Edge is a genuine statement of what is possible, and it earns the top spot on this list. From the Google Pixel 10 Pro's AI photography to the impossibly thin Samsung Galaxy S26 Edge, 2026 has raised the bar for what a smartphone can be. The gap between the top 5 has never been smaller, which means picking the right one comes down to what matters most to you. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more tech rankings.